Hello students, welcome you all again. My name is Dr. Bhakti Khisti and today I am going to continue the same topic, that is alcohol. In the last lecture I had already explained you some points about the alcohol. Definition of alcohol, the classification of alcohol, that monohydric, dihydric, then about the ethyl alcohol in detail, including the preparation of ethyl alcohol, preparation by molasses, by using starch, then its advantages, disadvantages, its uses. Okay, we had seen up to this. In this lecture I am going to explain you about the remaining part. Okay, the different types of alcohol, like dilute alcohol, then strong alcohol. It is not going to ask you as a separate question. Okay, you have to write in few sentences or few words about these types of alcohol. Okay, so in this lecture I am going to explain you all the types of alcohol in short, on the remaining part of the ethyl alcohol, like its impurities. So let's go and see what are the different impurities of this alcohol. See, fusel oil, first one is acids, then next is water, then aldehyde and ketone bodies. Other inferior qualities of alcohol like amyl alcohol, butyl alcohol, etc. Impure alcohol is purified by distillation with purified animal charcoal. First one is fusel oil. It is the commonest impurity in alcohol. It is the bright yellow liquid. Okay, it is a bright yellow liquid. Next one is the acid, then water. Other inferior qualities of alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, like acetaldehyde. Okay, now about its taste of purity. See, I am explaining this with the help of small chart, but in your textbook it is given in detail, so go through your textbook also. I am just explaining you in short. So first one is, sample of alcohol is soaked with blue litmus paper. Then what happened? It turns red. What does it shows? It shows the presence of acid. So first one is experiment, next one is the observation, and last one is the inference. Okay, so second one, take a purified water, is added to and add it to the sample of alcohol in equal volume. What happened? A foaming smell is found. It shows the alcohol is impure. Third one, a few drops of silver nitrate is added to the sample of alcohol. It gives a reddish color is noticed. It suggests the presence of fusel oil if the reddish color is noticed. Last, fourth one is the equal amount of concentrated H2SO4 mixed with sample of alcohol. If it gives the appearance of red or brown color, it shows the presence of fusel oil. Number 5, a small amount of alcohol is made to evaporate from the porcelain dish. If it shows the foreign odor from the porcelain dish, it will suggest us that the presence of the fusel oil. Take the 10 cc alcohol is shaken with 0.5 gram anhydrous copper sulfate. If it shows the powder will be assumed blue color, it shows the presence of water. Oil of wintergreen test. You have to do this test, and if it shows a smell of methyl salicylate, then it will suggest the presence of methyl alcohol. Now what is the oil of wintergreen test? 3 to 4 ml of alcohol is taken in a test tube and 1 gram of sodium salicylate or salicylic acid is added, and then 1 ml of concentrated H2SO4 is added and warmed. Okay, make it warmed. Okay, if it gives a smell of methyl salicylate, then it shows the presence of methyl alcohol. Okay, so oil of wintergreen test, you have to take the alcohol, add 1 gram of sodium salicylate and 1 ml of concentrated H2SO4 in that. Okay, if it shows a smell of methyl salicylate, it will shows the presence of the methyl alcohol in that. Okay, all these this about the purity test. Okay, these are 7 purity test. Now about the absolute alcohol. Okay, see students, in exam maximum time they asked the synonym of any type of alcohol for 2 marks. Okay, synonym of absolute alcohol and anhydrous alcohol and alcohol hydrated. Okay, so the absolute alcohol, its synonym is anhydrous alcohol or alcohol hydrated. Its definition by terms absolute alcohol is meant the alcohol entirely free from the water, that is 100% pure alcohol. Its specific gravity at 15 degrees Celsius is 0.792. Now about its preparation. So the preparation of absolute alcohol is easy. Okay, it is given in a chart that you have to take the rectified spirit, then add some quantity of quick fresh lime, then heated, due to which most of water is removed, then perform the distillation. Now distillate now contain about 0.6 to 1% of water. So to remove the traces of water, reflux over the metallic calcium or magnesium, then we get the redistillate these alcohol in an all glass apparatus. After this redistillation, you got the alcohol, the absolute alcohol. Okay, so you have to take the first rectified spirit, then fresh quick lime, that is CaO, is added in that, then distill it, then redistill it. Then in case of, then after redistillation, you got the first fraction, second fraction, and the last fraction. In the last fraction you got the absolute alcohol. Okay, it is very easy. Now about the purity test. The 10 ml of sample of alcohol is taken in the test tube and vigorously shaken with 0.5 gram of anhydrous copper sulfate, which will turn blue if water is present in the sample. Its uses, it is used in the stack process for the purification of the sugar of milk. Okay, this is all about the absolute alcohol. Now about the strong alcohol. What is the synonym of strong alcohol? We can call it as alcohol fortis and alcohol fortior. Then about its definition, when the word alcohol is only used, it means a strong alcohol. Now the preparation, it is prepared by mixing 94.9 pC by volume of pure ethyl alcohol and 5.1 pC by volume of purified water. It is very easy. Its properties are the specific gravity at 15.6 degrees Celsius, 0.810. The next thing is about its uses. There are some other properties also, that it is a colorless, transparent, mobile, volatile liquid with pleasing aroma, burning taste. But these all characteristics or properties are same like ethyl alcohol. Okay, see the iodoform test is given over here. What is the iodoform test? Take 2 to 3 ml of the solution in the test tube, add equal volume of strong solution of iodine in potassium iodide, warm gently, take it out of flame and add a solution of NaOH drop by drop until the color is pale yellow. Cool the test tube, a yellow crystalline ppt of iodoform separate out. Okay, this is the iodoform test. Okay, this is one of these some which is not given in other any type of the alcohol and which is given in the strong alcohol. Okay, its specific gravity and the iodoform test. Other than this, the every property is just like ethyl alcohol. About its uses: for preparation of mother tincture, like in old method, the preparation of mother solution according to the old method, for preparation of absolute alcohol, dilute alcohol, and dispensing alcohol. These are the common uses of the strong alcohol. Its synonym, its definition, preparation very easy. Properties is specific gravity and iodoform test is different. Otherwise, all properties are like ethyl alcohol. And its uses: for preparation of mother tincture and mother solution according to the old method, for preparation of absolute alcohol, dilute alcohol, and dispensing alcohol. Next one is dilute alcohol. Dilute alcohol is explained in, means I'm just explain it in one sentence of its uses: for the preparation of potencies, particularly under the decimal scale, and for the cleansing of utensils. Otherwise, about dilute alcohol, the definition of dilute alcohol is given in according to the different way in AHP, BHP, IHP, the Bhattacharya Pharmacopoeia. Everybody gives explain the dilute alcohol in their own way. It is given in the book, but the dilute alcohol is just like means. It consists of the equal quantity of the rectified spirit. Okay, so the 60 op and the purified water, or we can call it as the equal volume of strong alcohol and purified water. It is called as the dilute alcohol. Okay, but in book it is given the different kind of the views from different authors, okay, about the dilute alcohol and its uses: for the preparation of potencies under the decimal scale, particularly for cleansing of utensils. Okay, the conversion of the rectified spirit to absolute alcohol is also given in the book. It is represented by a simple chart. You go through the book, it is not much important as exam point of view. Then about the dispensing alcohol, the synonym of dispensing alcohol: alcohol officinalis, official alcohol. Definition: it contains the 88% by volume of ethyl alcohol and 12% by volume of the purified water. Its preparation: 10 parts by weight of strong alcohol and 1 part by weight of purified water. Its specific gravity is 0.840. Okay, its uses: for potentizing the drugs from their mother tincture states. It is the just one use of the dispensing alcohol. Okay, it is in it is very in short way I am explaining you. Then about the rectified spirit, its definition: rectified spirit, 60 degree OP means that the 100 volume of alcohol diluted with the purified water will give 160 volume of proof spirit. In other words, it means the pure rectified spirit contains 160% of the proof spirit. Its preparation is very easy. It is prepared by mixing 375 ml of purified water with 1000 ml of strong alcohol. Its uses: for potentization of medicine under the centesimal scale, for cleansing of utensils. Rectified spirit is also having some types like 40 op, 20 op, but it is not much important. Means exam point of view, it is not really important for exam. Okay, otherwise you just go through the book, you read it once. It is nice, it is very nice to as information. Then about the proof spirit. Proof spirit is a mixture of alcohol and purified water, weighing 12 by 13th of equal volume of purified water at 51 degree Fahrenheit. A standard strength is fixed by excise department. The alcohol which stronger in strength than this proof spirit is called as overproof, and weaker one is called as the underproof. Now, this proof spirit is expressed in terms of degree, under, under and over. Okay, so this is all about the proved spirit. Okay, the proved spirit is expressed in terms of degree. Which degree? Under proof and over proof. So the strength is fixed. If it is more than the fixed strength, it is over proof. It is the weaker than that, it is under proof. Okay, this is about the proof spirit. So this is all about the alcohol. Okay, but one thing is remaining. Now, what is the food value of alcohol? Okay, the food value of alcohol. Okay, it is one very short point. See students, in our body, the proteins are help to regeneration of the tissue to make them healthy, and fats and carbohydrates do the work of providing the heat and energy. Okay, alcohol is the liquid that doesn't contain the nitrogen. Okay, so it does not able to replace the proteins. Okay, it does not replace the protein, but it can be replace the fat and carbohydrate as it generate the energy. Okay, but when we are taking the alcohol in a small quantity, it will generate the energy. Okay, so this time what happened, the fats and carbohydrate are remain saturated in the body. Okay, this get saturated as a fat, as a tissue, like a fat. Okay, it gets saturated as a fat. Okay, it their utilization is in limit. Okay, so in that case the patient is the person is feeling that he is taking alcohol and he is feeling energetic, so no need of take of any kind of the food like carbohydrate or fat. But if you are taking the alcohol in large quantity, it provides the energy. Yeah, it's true. But the fat and the liver get damaged because of that, and the fatty fat deposition is more in that case. ओके, सो आप जो है अपने कार्बोहाइड्रेट और प्रोटीन्स जो है उसको यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं एनर्जी जनरेट करने के लिए, तो वो बॉडी में कहीं ना कहीं जो है वो सैचुरेट होते जाते हैं एज अ फैट, तो आपका जो फैट है वो बढ़ता ही जाता है. नेक्स्ट थिंग, द एनर्जी विच इज जनरेटेड बाय द अल्कोहल, you can't store it in your body. Okay, as you take the alcohol, the 99% of the alcohol get digested. Okay, and the carbon dioxide is released because of that, but you cannot store this energy in your body. You cannot use that energy according to the need of body. Means if you are ill, you are not feeling well, and you want to use that energy, so you can't do that. Okay, you cannot store it in your body, you cannot use it according to your need. Okay, so alcohol can generate the energy, but it is for the limited time only. Whether the fats and the carbohydrates provide you energy whenever you want. Okay, so it is very wrong to say that the value of alcohol is value of alcohol is important in the food, but it is not going to replace the proteins also, and it can replace the fats and proteins, fats and carbohydrates from your food, but in the limited way. Okay, if you are taking the alcohol with some food, okay, then the alcohol provides you the energy, but the food which you are taking is get saturated as a fat in your body, collagen as in your body. Okay, so this is the food value of the alcohol, and this is all about this topic. I hope you like the video. Thank you very much.